If you look at today's podcast space, it's noisy, crowded, and filled with people trying to sound smart. But this one creator built trust at a large scale. He is not from the media industry, isn't involved in any controversies, and do not pretend to have all the answers. We are talking about the journey, mindset, and strategy of Raj Shamani and how his podcast stands out amongst all his competitors.
And this isn't just a biography, it is a case study because what Raj Shamani has done is not an accident. It is a deliberate mix of clear niche, questioning style, and audience psychology that most of the creators miss.
Raj Shamani today is known as an entrepreneur, content creator, speaker, and host of Figuring Out with Raj Shamani. His life looks powerful not because of his success, but because of his starting point. His life took a serious turn when his father's health condition worsened and their family business had to struggle. At the age where most of the teenagers figure out career and college, Raj Shamani was figuring out survival.
Exactly. This phase matters a lot. At the age of 16, he wasn't consuming business content but doing business, selling soaps, FMCG products, understanding margins, customers, and whatnot. And this is why his way of thinking changed a lot. And that's why the content doesn't feel like disconnected, dramatic, or theoretical from the reality.
When Raj started creating content, it wasn't just for fame. He started sharing business and motivational insights on Instagram and YouTube. His tone was different from others. He wasn't just screaming quotes or selling dreams, but he was speaking logically, calmly, and through his experiences.
And this is why the podcast became a real fit for him. In 2021, when he launched The Figuring Out, it wasn't for an interview or motivational podcast. It was positioned in such a way to create a space for conversation and help Indian young minds in their career, success, and life decisions.
A lot of people say Raj Shamani's content is related to entrepreneurship and business, but that's just the surface layer. His real niche is translating complex success stories into simple and relatable ones, which will help the young Indians make their own life.
Exactly. He is not teaching people that how to become a billionaire, but he is helping them to understand how successful people think, how they take decisions, how they deal with their failures. And his audience is largely young professionals, early entrepreneurs, students, and the people who want more clarity.
When you compare Raj with other big podcasters, you will see a major difference. Most of the podcasters either dominate the conversation or try to sound intellectual or chase controversies. All of this just to go viral.
Raj does the opposite. He intentionally positions himself as a learner and asks the questions without an ego because he knows that these are the questions that his audience has. And this changes the energy of the room and makes the guests comfortable.
And that comfort is the key because when people lower their guard, they stop giving PR answers and start sharing real life experiences.
Raj's questioning style is very structured, even though it feels like a conversation. Firstly, he tries to understand the personal context of what was happening in the life of a guest before success happened.
And then he moves to decision making. Why they took one path instead of another, what doubts they had, and what drawbacks they accepted. This is very important as it eliminates illusion of perfect success.
And then finally, he divides the whole process into 3 categories: what worked, what failed, and what they do differently. He asks tough questions but never aggressively, and this balance is very rare.
Raj strongly believes that success is boring, repetitive, and long-term. So you will never see him selling overnight success or fake narratives.
He consistently promotes patience, discipline, long-term thinking, and value creation. And his content feels like calming in a world full of noise. And that's why people trust.
So when people ask why his podcast is among the top in India, the answer isn't just big guest or large production.
It's trust. He uses short-form clips strategically to pull the people into their long form. But once they reach there, the value keeps them there. Every episode feels like it was made for the audience, but not for the algorithm.
Today, he has millions of followers and billions of views across all his platforms. And his estimated net worth is around 90 to 100 crores.
And that comes from multiple streams: podcast sponsorships, YouTube revenue, investments, businesses, and collaborations. But more than money, he has built a personal brand that people associate with clarity and credibility.
If we have to sum up Raj Shamani's success into one line, it would be he listens more than he speaks.
And in the digital world, where everyone shouts for the attention, the calm and thoughtful voice always stands up. And asking better questions is sometimes more powerful than having answers.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And also do let us know what are your thoughts on Raj Shamani and his journey.